BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 48 of season 3. Today's word is brisk. It means quick, rapid, active and energetic. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word brisk. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Brisk is spelt as B-R-I-S-K. After independence, India has made a brisk, meaning rapid progress as a nation. We are making continuous progress on various parameters like wealth, education, health, transportation, etc. This brisk progress has earned us the reputation of one of the fastest developing nations. We are really proud, aren't we? Listen carefully how we can use the word brisk in 8 different situations, in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The lifestyle and food habits of people are changing, and this has exposed them to weight gain, diabetes, and other such lifestyle diseases. Many health experts recommend that they should go for a brisk walk twice a day. This will keep them fit and healthy. Example number 2 of 8. The chairman, Mr. Hayward, arrived an hour late at the venue. He was in India on a short trip to inaugurate the new Research and Development Center. He briskly shook hands with the company delegates since he had to rush for the inauguration ceremony. Moving on to example number 3 of 8. It was Jessica's first day in office. Her boss assigned her several tasks, but she completed all the tasks at a brisk speed. This helped her create a good impression. Don't you agree? Example number 4 of 8. The brisk trade between the two cities is owing to the construction of the new highway. The highway has resulted in quick movement of goods from seller to the consumer. Do you know that you can speak in English just like your mother tongue? Get in touch with our trainers for free evaluation of your English and train you to build on your English fluency. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Tushar was facing a problem with the electricity supply at his residence. He made several calls to the office of the electricity company, but there was no result. Finally, he personally visited the office to lodge a formal complaint. This resulted in a brisk action and the problem was solved. Example number 6 of 8. Mr. Narayan was engaged in a conversation with a client. His secretary politely interrupted them and asked whether they were ready for dinner. Mr. Narayan confirmed with a brisk nod of head. The secretary then proceeded to make the arrangements. Are you ready for the next example? Let's move to example number 7 of 8. The brisk rise in the number of cars in the world is only causing more and more pollution. So what should be done? Well, we can switch over to a cleaner energy option like electric vehicles. That would make a difference, wouldn't it? Example number 8 of 8. India has a population of 125 crores. Today, the internet and digital media has reached nearly 50 crore Indians. Most of us are also hooked on to the internet, aren't we? This brisk speed of internet has made the digital media an attractive option for all forms of advertising. Today we learnt the word brisk, which means quick, rapid, active and energetic. Can you frame 3 sentences with brisk and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number, can you guess? Yes, this was episode number 48 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.